So welcome to Ketchikan, of course, port of call, because we are cruising from Seattle all the way to Ketchikan, Juneau, and Skagway. Today I'm going to Walmart. I will buy some stuff I will buy, vinyl for my girlfriend. So we are docking together with Celebrity Summit. That's the Celebrity Summit. So muna ang van nga padong sa Walmart. To. Everybody loves Walmart because they have a lot of stuff here. Mga desktop. Laptop. Nice. Pagahe. I think everyone knows that what is Walmart. So sa Pilipinas wala mi Walmart. Daghan ka sila dito Nintendo Switch. Kaning mga bala. May mga controllers. And then bala sa Nintendo Switch. May bala sa PS5, PS4, TV. Headphones para sa mga gamers. So yung mga iPad. Microwave. Pang heavy duty kayo lang microwave dali. Hindi ka magmahay ba? Yummy. This is the right one. Red. This is the price. This is the one. Red. This is not really for me, but for my girlfriend. Friggin' bag. Libre siyang bag. Self-service. Na po dito maglinya ka na to. So muna ang Celebrity Summit. Gikan ako sa Walmart. Kaning summit wala ni siya magic carpet. Tugay na kini nga barko mga I think this is like 20 years old or 25 years old ship. Summit. It's a Millennium class. Ang tupad sa summit mo ni siya Tongass Trading. Mga t-shirt ng bata. Oh. Ba? So kana magong celebrity nga ship. Nana siya tulo ka class, Millennium class, Solstice class ug Edge class. So kada barko na sila mga ang Millennium class murag 5. Yang Solstice 5 sad. Tapos ang Edge class 5. Yung magbuhat pa sila mga line nga class. I don't know when but they're coming soon. So kanila hit nga store.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds. 1, 2, 3.
So muni ang second floor sa Tongass Trading Nadulo po ang among barko ng Celebrity Edge. So, dito sa taas, nadari ang kanang pang sports o kanang mga mountaineering mga gamit. Like North Face, mga bag. Yung mga bags. Tapos, I just buy this last month ago. And last week, I bought a North Face bag. Kuyawa ani nga sakyanan, no? Transparent. Transparent siya nga sakyanan. Taraan ba? Classic. Murag tour man siguro ni siya. Kung masakay ka ni, mag-tour ka. Di ni siya public transportation. Nagi ni siya bayad nga ka nang mag-tour. Mag-tour dito sa Ketchikan. Ito sulod. So karon mo balik na ko sa barko, musulod na ko kay mag-lunch ko. Ang oras karon kay 11:15 AM dire. Ayos ba?
Ayos. Kala ko sino nagdito. You turn the corner.
I'm going back to the ship now. Today Juno, so we're about to dock, but we have to play now. 12:45, our Bali plane. So guys, time check. It's like 3:45, and I just finished my gym session. Tapos karon gawas ko. Musunod ako sa akong mga kaupan. Ato mi sa Lucky Lady na bar, and well, we just dock in Juno today, like 1 AM. I mean 1 PM in the afternoon, and it's not that really lovely weather today. Look at this. So this is the real weather of Juno. Look at that. The town, barely can see the town. It's foggy and raining, but we're getting off. At least you will see the town. So they have the lemon water, and then they put the real fruits inside. Watermelon. And of course the schedule, money schedule today. So one day, if you'll be in the cruise, and you will see this, and then this one.
I like this little time we have together.
If you're a gym person, you will love it. And this guy is from Indonesia. How long have you been working ship?
Already 11 years.
11 years. How was it? Good. You like it?
Of course.
You have choice. No.
I like it.
You like it? No. You'll be in my YouTube. Yes, you're going to be in my YouTube. Say hi to your family.
Say hi. Thank you.
Okay, where you from where in Indonesia? Where?
Bali.
Bali. Man, Bali is beautiful. I've been in Bali.
You've been before?
Yeah.
Which ship?
When we were solstice. Celebrity solstice.
As close as you can get. So just keep your eyes peeled. You never know when you might see one. Because if you do see one, you
I'm
need
getting off with Josh and the Tortelios. This guy is from a quartet.
So there's no phrase. It goes
Say hi, man.
black, you might
Ire.
but if it's brown, you lie down. Personally,
So it's not that easy to hold a phone, and then raining and umbrella. There's some shop there. I'm all the way down to the bar. They call it Imperial Bar. They said Lucky Lady was very busy. So morning ang Lucky Lady. We're supposed to see each other here, but wala man. So nakita na akong Imperial. Bar, Imperial Bar. Yo, yo! Yo, yo! Yo, yo! Man, the Lucky Lady is empty now. It's free. Lenny, go, move. menu. This is the menu. So we ordered this one. Super Tots. See? With nacho cheese, bacon. So, muna to. Muna na siya. Valentin, Monis Valentin. So we ordered this one. Ano yung mag-order? Look, see? I told you. So Moni, Super Tots. Gitawag ni siya og Super Tots nga food. Moni siya kanang potato, bacon, green onion, mayonnaise, mustard. Lamig kayo. Let me try. So today, grabe kakalma ang water, oh. Grabe kakalma ang ocean. Cappuccino.
Everybody's getting on and off, and I start to wonder if I miss my stop, if I'm just going where the wind blows.
This is Lily here. She's in the bar. She works in the bar. And she prepared my coffee. She is from China. How long you been working the ship?
I'm new, like just this summer.
Just this contract?
This contract go only 1 month.
1 month?
This contract is 7 months.
Okay. This is only for crew, okay?
I've never been the type to push my luck, but I can't afford to miss the memories I've been wanting to make, and I can't wait.
Some of my friends, associates.
Hello.
And Mr. Jones.
I'm going wheels up on this side,
10 a.m. now.
borders and see those northern lights. Finally take it all in with my own eyes.
So kana diha mo na siya ang starboard side because ang forward na dito. That's forward of the ship. Kita ni mo na ang magic carpet. Mo na siyang magic carpet. So kani siya sa Eden. Pwede pod mo mukaon diha kay ang Eden restaurant po gud siya. Napoy bar, but it's a restaurant when they build the ship. Then pwede pod mo mag-standby doon eh. Chill lang ba? Uy! Ayos kayo. Good morning. How long you been working ship?
I started last year.
Last year, yeah. On solstice. So, tuyo ka gina siya, doy. Tuyo ka gina. Nasa bar. Ang bar, di ba? Pwede kayo mo dari mo mag-meeting or something kung wala pa itukar. Actually, di man sa saba mag-tukar rin banda kay acoustic experience man ang tawag sa grupo. So, acoustic lang yung tukar. Kanang dili good same sa amo na party band. Kaya party band on board. So, saba-saba gamay mong tukar. We play good. Sige, muna ako dadre sa Eden nga restaurant. How are you, chef? How are you, Alejandro? Yeah, I'm gonna go film this Eden restaurant. I'll see you later. Mo to si Alejandro, akong friend. Kanto siya ka ng digital marketing schedule. So mo nang Eden. One of the best specialty restaurant to sa Celebrity Edge Class. Sa Edge Class na ba ako? Okay? A little bit expensive but it's worth it. Make it kayo. I will try one day when we cross all the way to Hawaii. So we're at sea today. Tomorrow will be in Victoria. Nothing much to do. Wala mo di mabuhat either. Basta at sea. Kulangaw ng tao Sunday. Ha? Yung magic carpet na sa taas. Munaog sad na siya hantod sa ubos. Will depende na sa kapitan ilang schedule kay ilang man na schedule labi lang na dinner nya kanina rin na po ni bar basta nindot kiking sunset oh wow nya kaning master grill kung ano siya kanang burger french fries in the afternoon ano siya dira pero karon sarado na. Di ba? Oh, mo ni ako amigo cook. Nag-asa kay kadong asa kay ka sa Cebu?
Sa Alcoy.
Alcoy, pila na ka tuig ng barko? 2 ka tuig pa day? So every 10 p.m. they gonna do this here. Martini. Yeah, ganito rin. Restaurant na siya, rooftop garden. Apoy in charge na rin mga molimpyo. Rooftop garden siyang gitawag rooftop garden. You can go lunch, dinner. Sometimes they're having breakfast there for VIPs. Sa mga VIPs na kanang mga retreat, penthouse. Before me mudak, mukaon sa kong pasta. Muna siya ang cook. Si Shai.
Hi po.
Ashley there. Ashley, hi Ashley.
Hi.
Look how calm is the water in the ocean. So nanami sa gangway, padong nami mo gawas. This is Moiti and the bass player of our orchestra, Jeremy from Canada. Padong na to gawas. Gang. Iyo kay Purmo. Nindot kay Purmo. Ano ba? Jordan. So what's the name of the music store?
Long and McQuaid.
The Long and McQuaid Road. You never been in Victoria, Canada?
I never go to the. I've been here actually, but I've never been in
But-
a music store here.
But where are you in Canada? Where?
Alberta.
You're from Alberta.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like outside. So mintas maglakaw mo ani, makakita mo na oh.
Capitol.
Unsa na siya?
Capitol.
Capitol sa Canada? Hindi siguro eh. Buti pangalan limot ko sa name na. Pero ang Empress Hotel, narito Empress Hotel, pinakasikat ng Empress Hotel. Ano siya, pila kay years na na?
Naka-impress.
Empress, oh, very impressed.
Very impressive.
Empress Hotel.
I like this little
So they walk fast, I walk fast. Sumunod siya Empress Hotel. Lugay na kanya siya diri. Makita gid na siya sa Victoria, Canada kanang postcard. The Chinatown in Alberta is more authentic than this one.
Yes. This is way better though. I like it.
Yeah, this Chinatown is better. So Chinatown is here sa Victoria, Canada.
Victoria.
We used to eat here.
Really?
Yeah, it's good food here.
Maybe we should eat here. Just kidding.
No, we go eat in the mall. There's a Japanese there. Japanese is very good.
After we get a.
After we get something, we go back because the mall will close. We eat there and also very cheap.
That's why you want to leave early.
Like teppanyaki, like they cook in front of you and then you order and you eat it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So this is the store. This is the music store, Long and McQuaid. Okay, let's do get something. get some stuff. Hi, how are you? Got lots of new guitars, nice, beautiful guitars. What food do you like?
Japanese food.
Japanese food. This one.
It's a
What beef yan? Beef? Chicken? Oh, lumpia, spring roll. So we have to get our own food. Ano mo, bra? Oh, muna sa ako. Thank you, ha. What did you say? Where are we going?
Makdo.
Makdo. Makdo. You sound like Filipino. You sound like Filipino. Makdo. Oh, we usually go around already.
Yeah, we usually.
This is nighttime already. Oh, Fat Burger. That's a good one.
That's actually the best burger place, actually. Better than Five Guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Better than Five Guys?
Yeah, I would say.
Okay, this is a supermarket. So we'll go in.
I need to buy body soap.
Body soap.
Yeah, well, like not like the soap, but like the one that has like it's kind of like a shampoo. But
Okay, body wash.
yeah, body wash.
Body soap, body wash.
What are the differences?
Lingawan eh.
Yeah, dude, the vlog's gonna be booming. Bro.
Nakakatuwa ka.
I'm not. Where is that?
I think it's here. This is Sunset license.
Wait, you need
You can ask one of the guys. Wait, this is body wash.
this hand sanitizer. Power. Is this body wash?
Mm-hmm.
Kuya, other kuya. Is this body
Yeah, this one. Body wash, yeah. Yeah, Irish,
buddy.
Irish Spring.
I think I might get Irish Spring. It's the best.
Yeah. What else do you need?
I think I'm done.
Yeah. What?
Oh, I don't want to break this. I don't want to break this. The chips are breaking every.
Breaking.
Yeah, like if you like shake.
Yeah, don't break it, man. Don't break it.
Oh, favorite.
Wasabi, it's spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy one. Well, how much is this one?
It's like
Let's try it.
$4. These are good, actually. Really good. If you're in budget, I recommend.
You recommend it.
Yeah.
You're paying now, no?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no way, man. Oh, dagko kay lang juice diri oh. Orange juice. Tropicana. Oh, Pilipinas. Nice. Nama di sila diri di ay. $6. Same ra sa kuan sa Target. Okay. Ito. Nagbayad na sila. So ato na balik sa barko. Let's go.
Let's go.
Buy Shoppers Drug Mart.
Buy Shoppers Drug Mart.
Oh, the winner's here. Sports check.
Hey man, best shoes.
Which side? Which side we going? Right side.
Wanna get shoes here, Kuya? Sport Tech is the way.
No, not today. I like shoes, but not
Yeah, dude,
today.
I wear Nikes, bro. But I bring
Yeah,
Vans now.
I like shoes, man.
Yeah.
You just don't know.
Air Forces?
Air Force? I have Jordan.
Dude, I need to get Air Jordan.
Air Jordan?
Yeah, Air Jordan. Air Jordan.
I just need Air.
Yeah, Air Risen. Uniqlo.
Beautiful, man. Tapos diha oh. Diha. Ang view. Empress Hotel oh. Hindi na kaya na. Okay, let's go. Stop this vlogging. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, Baseman Travels. I subscribed to it just like 5 seconds ago.
What did you say?
Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Oh my God. Hey man, people like Baseman.
It's weird, man. So tell me about the bass players in the ship.
They're pretty good. They're really like all solid players. Better than me. Better than me.
No, look at that. How you call that? The building there. The capital? I don't know. What's
I
that?
would say it's like a legislature. It's a legislature.
Legislate?
Legislature.
Ah,
Yeah.
this is the bay here. It's a beautiful walk. I think Victoria has designed a city walk. You know? People walk a lot here. And they designed this for a city walk. That they walk a lot. See?
Ah, I see.
I'm going back to the ship now. See you later.
We're going.
You're not freezing in this weather? You used to this. You live in Canada, Alberta.
Yes, sir.
So the weather's always like this.
Yes.
You have snow already, right?
Nope, not yet. Not yet.
You don't have snow?
Yeah, it's
But-
August, bro.
But you don't have. You have snow when?
In December.
December's the snow.
Yeah.
How thick?
Yes.
How thick? How big? Like
Really?
that?
5 inches. 5 inches.
Ooh.
Usually 5 inches.
So we hang out here all the time. There's a Wi-Fi spot here. Hi. How are you? How are you guys?
Good. It's pretty quiet here tonight.
Yeah, pretty quiet. Make some noise. That's it, guys. Thank you. See you next time.